Brianna, you are my best friend and the love of my life, and I couldn't be more excited to spend the rest of our days as your husband and soulmates. I give you all these things today and all the days of our lives.
Michael, from the very first time we met, I felt like I had known you forever. Your wit and crazy sense of humor make me fall in love with you more and more each day. I vow to love you, and no matter what challenges may carry us apart, we will always find our way back to each other.
Not everyone in this world is blessed enough to have such an extraordinary individual as their sister and absolute best friend. I may be older than you, but I truly look up to you in more ways than you know. I admire the fucking hell out of you, sis. Words just aren't enough to express how proud I am of the extraordinary woman that you are. You are the baddest baddie, Breezy. You know that as long as you're happy and healthy, my heart is happy. You really are a stunner, sis, and the sissy squad is truly fucking unmatched. Mikey, thank you for showing my sister what love is. It fills my heart with absolute happiness to see that my baby sister is treated as the queen that she truly is. I love you, broski. Truly. Sissy smooches.
Summer's hot and winter's cold. Time will fly, that's how it goes. Always magic in the air. You're coming home, I'm waiting there. You never had to wonder the way I feel inside. Babies cry, mama knows. Music plays on radio. Swings and cherry pies, lemonade on a summer night. I never had to wonder. You were always by my side. Our love rose like the thunder. I never had to wonder. I never had to wonder.
I just see how much joy and love, Brianna, that you bring to Michael's life. And I know that's something that he really values. To the new couple, here's to Mike and Brianna. Cheers.
pleased to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.